beautiful people, and welcome back to my channel.
Firstly, going to start off by detangling my hair. Thereafter, I will be adding some hair growth oil to my scalp as well as my hair. Next, I will brush my hair and tie it up into a ponytail. Thereafter, I will add some Iso Plus styling gel to my hair. Then I will brush my hair again and tie it up into a ponytail. Now I'm going to add the braiding hair to my hair, and thereafter I will split it up into 3 sections. I will be splitting my hair into 3 sections as well, and then I will start braiding the braid. Next, I'm going to add a bobby pin to a piece of braiding hair. Thereafter, I will wrap the hair around the braid. This next step is optional. I will be using Vita molding gel to lay down my edges. Thereafter, I will tie it down with a silk scarf. And here is the final look. I absolutely love the way it turned out. Thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate you. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next one.